What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm doing all right. Well, today we're going to do up some stuffed tomatoes. You could do these as small as stuffing little cherry tomatoes for appetizers, or you can go up a couple sizes with regular sized tomatoes, or even bigger with beefsteak tomatoes. All of it just takes longer to cook. Today we're going to use up some VSB's house seasoning. This is their all-purpose blend, and we're going to do it all on a Pit Boss Classic. So let's go ahead and get started. First off, you want to go ahead and core out the tomato, leaving the walls and the bottom intact as best you can. There we go, just like that. I'm going to go ahead and do the other ones off camera, and then we come back and I'll get to the fix. Of course, I'm trying to film again, so everybody's driving past my house like it's NASCAR season. Right now I'm only doing 4 tomatoes, so I'm only going to do a small batch. So I'm only using 3 medium-sized cooked potatoes. I peeled them off. Tablespoon of butter melted, 2 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of flour. Go ahead and start mashing that up. We're going to do this before we add in our milk. Make sure that your potatoes are warm. All right. Go ahead and start adding in some milk. It's about a half a cup right there. Now time to add in your seasoning. Like I said before, I'm using a VSB house blend. Salt, pepper, garlic, and other spices. Add in about 2 tablespoons. Now it's time to add in your cheese. Now you can add in any kind of cheese that you want. I'm going to add in some sharp cheddar cheese. About a handful. Now it's time to start filling our tomatoes. First off, go ahead and season the inside of the tomatoes. We're going to go ahead and put them on the smoker now for 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. Finally done. Took about 25 minutes to cook. They look great. Nice and cheesy. Potatoes and cheese cooked wonderful. Got a nice peppery and salty taste to it, thanks to that VSB seasoning. Let's go ahead and get some of this tomato. Tomatoes on point. These are good side pieces to your dish. If you want to go ahead and cook these along with some steak or some salmon or other type of fish, be a wonderful ingredient to go ahead and cook those along with. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.